This is a compilation of Epic Fails, Escaping Angry Dave, and Horrific Coughs. Oh, you didn't get me, ha! Well, not yet.
When I catch you, I will spank your butt.
Nope. Gotta be extra careful. Pie in the face. Pie in the face. Pie in the face. You just got pied in the face, boy. Why did you do that? Why did that teleporter do that? Why did you do that, teleporter? Holy sh**.
You've got mail.
Hey Tristan, let's make this game a little harder, shall we?
Stupid daycare, I swear to God, bro. Okay, it reminds me of I Shall Speak, because every time they say, wheels on the bus go. The wheels on the bus go all day long. Okay, that was anticlimactic, y'all. I bet Dave is waiting for me right now, so better be prepared. Not right now, Item Planet. Not right now. Excuse me. Oh, it's you.
Hey there, kid. What did you think I was going to do? Steal your items?
Hi? What are you looking to buy?
Right now I'm in the shop. I was just collecting a present, so I should be on my way right now. Thanks anyway. Oh crap! No, not this time, buddy.
Why did you do that?
Not this time.
Now I have to fix my wheelchair. Get your stupid dog piece of crap over here right now, Tristan. Well, I guess you beat me. Go try some fresh air and come back whenever you like.
Well, that was great. Right. I beat at that game. I beat at the game, and... Not those horrific coughs again! Hey, guess what? We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who was from. Bam ba dum ba dum bam. Cupcake. Excuse me. That was a horrific one. Another horrific cough.
You tested my patience long enough. Let's see how you handle this.
Not daycare again. Are you kidding me? Hello, Josh. How are you? I'm sorry, guys. I'm technically sorry. I'm sorry for coughing this stream. Oh man. I need to get a coin.
Hey there, see? You can trust me.
Yeah,
Here's your
I'm
ID.
good. I'm good, Josh. I'm just coughing. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you are. Hi. Why did you do that?
Try not to rely on me as much, okay?
Why did you do that? That was not very nice of you.
Alright, I give up now. Just kidding, I lied.
I need to stop coughing like that! What is going on here? Oh, come on, dude. What is this? Remind me to grab some water after this game.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.